This is 23rd of December 2013, and this is supposedly the road that trucks use, and now even a pedestrian can't pass it easily. This is the storm we had in a couple of days. Freezing storm. Beautiful, but kind of deadly. Look. Luckily here most of the trees are like serviceberry and different shrubs and small trees, so we have some broken branches here, but major trees, we have a kind of the war zone here. Hundreds and hundreds of them are broken, branches broken, the trunk is broken. It is really something. Look, everywhere.